Hello dudes and dudettes. Today I'm reviewing Pink Religion. Then we go for, I just call it glass effect, but obviously it's a highlighter. First we go for the palette. The packaging is nice. When you look at it carefully, it does look like a book. So now we're gonna open it up. The peel effect, as I call it, as it says, lovely moment. And we are going for the eye shadows from left to right. The first one is Princess Crown. The colors are lovely. They don't look that bright on the camera, but they are really gorgeous colors. Pink Religion. Some, they look like, if you have the collection, they look like Bloodlust, because in Bloodlust there is a pink. I will, if you want to do a review between Bloodlust and Pink Religion, please leave a comment down below. Prom Night. Are you a diva? Lollipop Luxury. Jeffree's World. Candy Cathedral. Pink Fever. Beauty Killer. Holy Fire. Fashion Faith. And if you do want to see me do a review between Pink Religion and Bloodlust, please do so. Handbag Queen. Dollhouse Lane. Vatican Vanity. The glass effect, but obviously it's a highlighter. When I put them on, wow, the colors are great, especially the gold and the pink. So you will see it, how it looks like. First one is pearly gates. Pink purity. Now look at that shimmer. You'll see it. I'm gonna hold it to the light more so you can see the effect. The glass slipper. I put it to the light more. Look at it. Stunning. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.